How to turn off Safe Boot on Windows. The very first thing you're going to have to do is simply right-click on your Windows icon and head over to Task Manager. What you could also do is use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape. Once you press it, your Task Manager will open up. Now from here, you have an option to run a new task, so go ahead and click on it. Here on the search bar, you're going to have to search for msconfig and then hit enter. It will open up this new window. On the system configuration, you have the boot tab at the top, right alongside services in general. Click on it. And if the safe boot option is turned on, you're going to have to turn this one off. Click on apply and then OK. Now, after you restart your PC, your safe boot will successfully be turned off. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.